Hello, my cute creators. Welcome back to another episode of WIP Wednesdays or Work in Progress Wednesdays. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Northern Light painting. Basically, this above this effect is called as Northern Light effect, and I made this painting. So I'm going to explain how I made this because it literally took me like 4 to 5 tries to get this right. So I'm just going to explain the whole process, the do's and don'ts that you should do, and some special tips in this video. And I'm going to explain how I went from this to this. So let's get started. So here's day one where I'm starting to make this Northern Light painting on a used canvas. Basically, this canvas was lying around my house from long time, and I wanted to do something useful with it because the base was incomplete. So I thought of why not let's make a Northern Light paintings on this canvas, and I started with pink and blue color, giving it a purplish, bluish and pinkish tone, mixing all the colors, blending it together without water. I usually don't use water with acrylic paints, which should be done. You just use the paint directly and give the shades accordingly. Now I'm adding the black on the sides. Also, don't forget to paint the edges of the canvas, as it makes your look artwork more enhanced and gives a structure to the canvas as well. So I'm adding black whenever I want to give the depth. Now the main steps come where I'm going to add white and make the Northern Lights. So this was the first attempt. It went quite well, but the amount of paint which I had put on it, the white paint, was very less, due to which it did not come out as bright as it should have been. And after that, when I tried improving it, I thought of adding some dots, giving the stars look. I think that I added too much of stars, which made me go like it is not good. So I wanted to make something else. So I added some mountains, which again did not pop out because I used black color, which was again completely wrong. I will tell you further in the video what which is the right way. Abhi bhi I wanted to go with this and try to make it better. So I thought of why not let's add a tree, and I started making a pine coniferous tree on the left hand side of the canvas. Again, it was very lightly visible. I then thought of adding yellow to give the highlights. Again, not a good thought, because yellow was not popping out. I should have added white in it first, even though if I wanted to add yellow later. This was how it was looking. I thought of adding a moon and giving it a little bit or more distraction, but again I ended up spoiling it. It was completely not looking put together, as you can see, and it was looking the worst I could have made. So I thought of just leaving it and moving it on ahead. The main point about art is that you need to spoil sheets, you need to spoil canvas to learn something right. You can not always be right while making art. There will be some spoiled masterpiece and some will be really good. So you have to go through that wrong stages to get to that right stages. So it's a very important part that you don't give up when you are wrong. So मैंने पूरे canvas को फिर से black कर दिया, and I started again on day 2. Like फर्स्ट डे मेरा हो गया था, बोले नहीं ये तो नहीं बन रहा है मुझसे. तो आई गेट अप अगेन ऑन सेकेंड डे एंड आई थॉट चलो अब इसको ट्राई करते हैं दोबारा. और कैनवस मेरा जैसा था मैंने उसको वैसे ही छोड़ा, मैंने उसके ऊपर कुछ भी बेस अप्लाई नहीं किया. अगेन कलर्स अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं हुए, उसकी वजह से मैंने डायरेक्ट वाइट अप्लाई किया, एडिट अ लिटल बिट ऑफ green and blue, and again I messed it up, you can see. So again मैंने दोबारा बेस दिया. I thought of giving a base again, and this was like the third time I'm trying to do this, and I could get a little bit glimpse of the what I wanted. But again यहाँ पे मैंने क्या गलती कर दी. My canvas was very wet. I added a little bit of water while mixing the paints this time, and my canvas was wet. So I should have waited a little bit longer, but I didn't wait. That's why the whole white part got mixed with the base, so which spoiled the artwork. So अब ये चौथी बारी मैं करने जा रही हूँ इसको, and this time also I did not get it right. However, I was quite close. As you can see, मैंने अच्छे से एक white का layer लगा दिया. After that, I added a bit of green on it and mixed the colors in one single direction and added a little bit of white again. But I was not satisfied with the direction of the paint. and also because it was looking like something planned, it was figuring something like S, and I did not wanted that. So again I did the base layer, and then this is the final time when I will get this right. Again by this time I was like, अब बन गया तो ठीक है, वरना we can leave it. However, I knew that I will not sit idle till I get this right. This is the crucial part where you will learn how exactly I did it. बहुत गलत करने के बाद आई कुड रियलाइज कि हाँ हाँ यहाँ मैंने गलतियाँ की थी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अप्लाई अ क्वाइट गुड एंड generous amount of white. Your base should not be too dry and too wet. Be somewhere in between, and while applying white, make sure that you add some dots of the colors you are using. If you are using pink, then you can use pink. Here I did add green and a very little bit of blue. And while blending white line, make sure you are blending it into one direction with a flat brush and in one direction. On all the previous trials, what I did majorly wrong was this. I was blending in both upward and downward direction, but you have to make sure that you blend it in one direction, either upward or downward. Preferably blend it in upward direction and see how smooth you will get it, and also then add some little bit of white stars and see how beautiful it turned out. Once I was satisfied with the base, I wanted to add some mountains like I did in the first attempt. I wanted to add some mountains, but this time what I did correct, I started adding the mountains with white, and I did not use brush this time. I started using the knife, the palette knife that you can purchase, and this was first time I was using a palette knife, so I was very nervous though, but I quite well managed to work out with the knife. You can do it with a brush, but with knife you get a really nice texture. I've taken a very little amount of white on the back of my hand, and I'm taking it from there and putting it on the canvas in a similar direction, giving the texture of the mountains. It really looked beautiful to me. See how nice it turned out. We have now almost completed our painting, but one important step, that is varnish, is still remaining, and I usually varnish my paintings after a day. I leave it overnight and then I varnish them next day. And why you should varnish your paintings is because it protects it from dust and gives it a super good glossy shine, which makes your artwork look more beautiful. Like, I will just show you the difference. See how you can see the difference between the part I have varnished and the one which is not varnished. So similarly I will complete the varnish on the whole painting, and this is how it looked. Do tell me in the comments कि आपको painting कैसी लगी और video कैसा लगा. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm literally obsessed with this painting, and I hope आपको ये video अच्छा लगा हो. मुझे literally 5 tries लग गए इसको correct लाने में, and that's what's the beauty of art is. Practice makes you perfect, right? So that's how it goes in each and every field. ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.